I'm going to show you an easy side hustle that you can do by promoting somebody else's product. So what you're going to do is come to this website right here, clickbank.com, and you're going to sign up and create an account. It's free to do it. So once you're logged in, these are all the categories that you can promote as an affiliate. So all you have to do is click on the promote button in order to get your affiliate link, and this number right here is going to be the average amount you're going to earn every time somebody buys through your link. So let's look at this product right here called Brain Training for Dogs. So if I click on this link, this is what the page looks like. So this is my affiliate link for this product. Now some websites won't let you post a direct affiliate link, so what you can do is come to this website right here, bit.ly.com. You're going to paste in your affiliate link. You're going to hit shorten, and then that's the shortened link. So you just copy that. Now where do you promote this affiliate product? Well, you're on it right now. So here's a TikTok account that posts dog videos. They have a lot of followers, and if you click on their link, it's going to bring you to this page.